Tamil Nadu leader of the opposition, Udayanithi Stalin, was arrested Tuesday morning in Thanjavur after an FIR was registered against him over alleged derogatory remarks made during a farmers' protest in Thanjavur on Monday. Additional Commissioner of Police Narendran Nair confirmed to the media that an FIR was filed against Udayanithi over his alleged derogatory remarks purportedly made against actor Trisha. The ruling Tamaraga Vetri Karagam had also filed a complaint with the National Commission for Women against him. After his arrest, Udayanithi said that he sees the arrest action against him as a joke and that he will deal with this through a legal route. DMK immediately submitted a plea before the Madras High Court seeking to restrain the police from arresting Udayanithi when a heavy security was deployed outside his residence and the police had arrived there. Senior advocate Hassan Mohammed Jinnah submitted that there was an attempt to arrest him to prevent him from attending the Legislative Assembly. The High Court has agreed to hear an urgent anticipatory bail petition to be moved by the leader of the opposition. Justice G.K. Ilandarian listed the anticipatory bail plea for hearing this afternoon after being told that Thanjavur police had filed the case. The judge also orally asked Government Counsel to direct police not to take any coercive steps against the leader of the opposition until the bail petition is heard. However, the arrest was made around 11 a.m. on Tuesday. During the protest organized to raise the farming community's concerns over the Kaveri water issue, Udayanithi criticized the Vijay-led Tamaraga Vetri Karagam government, alleging that no water had been released and that the chief minister was silent on the matter while focusing on filing cases against the DMK. The demonstration demanded action to stop Karnataka's proposed Mekadat Balancing Reservoir project, full waiver of farmers' loans, and declaration of the Kaveri Delta districts as drought affected. He highlighted the lack of water released from the Kaveri, saying water should have come, but today not even a single drop of water has come. He added, "But is the Chief Minister opening his mouth to speak about this? No, he isn't. His only concern is what false allegations can be made against the DMK, what fake cases can be filed." Udayanithi said this during his speech. As he paused during this speech, a section of the crowd began chanting "Trisha, Trisha," a reference to actor Trisha Krishnan. It was at that moment he made the alleged remark before clarifying that he was referring to the Kaveri. The comments drew sharp criticism, with leaders from TVK and the Bharatiya Janata Party calling it disgusting, obscene, vulgar and shameful, and demanded his arrest. TVK functionaries lodged a police complaint at the Thanjavur East Police Station and approached the National Commission for Women seeking action, an explanation in this regard and a public apology. The security was bolstered outside Udayanithi residence on Monday morning before his arrest. DMK workers were detained for attempting to breach cordons. Police registered the case and took him into custody amid the escalating political confrontation between the DMK and the ruling TVK. Meanwhile, DMK MP T.R. Balu rejected the allegations against Udayanithi on Tuesday, saying that he had not referred to any individual. He has not mentioned any word about the particular woman and it is all false. Balu clarified. After the DMK moved to the Madras High Court seeking a bail for Udayanithi, the court granted bail and directed that he should be released today. Prosecution said that Udayanithi is being taken to Thanjavur police station and he'll be released after the questioning at the police station. There is no intention to arrest him or produce him before the court. To this, judge stated that he must be released today itself after the inquiry.